Everybody learns and a little bit differently. And one of the fun parts of coaching is trying to figure out how exactly you learn best. And there are lots of little tips and tricks around that, and many of them are about thinking outside of the box. There's definitely more than one way to crack an egg, and figuring out which way works for you is an essential part of the learning process. I'll give you an example. When I swim, I always get mixed up what lap I'm on. Did I do 250? Did I do 300 meters? I can't remember, until somebody suggested counting by color. Sounds completely ridiculous to count through the rainbow, but it works so well every time. I count red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Oh, I've swum 700 meters. It is phenomenal. I also know of somebody who remembers things significantly better if she writes a horizontal list rather than a vertical one. I read a study recently that said if you count down, you have 20% more energy for whatever it is you're counting than if you count up. If I have 10 assignments to write and I count 10, 9, 8, it's going to be much easier for me to find the energy for that than if I count 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are lots of different ways to do this. And it's a fun aspect to kind of figure out what helps you learn best. Maybe try counting the rainbow? See if it helps. Roy G. Biv.